Hey space fans! Ever wondered what's going to happen when the sun, the giant ball of fire that literally keeps us alive, finally runs out of fuel? Spoiler, it's going to get messy. Don't panic though, it's not happening tomorrow. We've still got about 5 billion years before the sun's big finale. But today, let's take a ride into the far future and see how our star lives, ages, and eventually dies. Right now, the sun is what astronomers call a main sequence star. That's the chill, middle-aged part of a star's life. Inside, hydrogen atoms are fusing together to make helium. Basically, it's a massive nuclear power plant that's been running smoothly for 4.6 billion years already. If the sun were a person, it'd be in its 40s, still working hard, paying bills, maybe a little tired, but nowhere near retirement. In about 5 billion years, the hydrogen fuel in the sun's core will run low. That's when things get weird. The sun will puff up into a red giant. We're talking hundreds of times bigger than it is now. Mercury and Venus? Gone. Earth? Scientists aren't sure if it gets swallowed or just roasted to a crisp. Either way, not a great Airbnb location anymore. Basically, the sun is going to pull the ultimate midlife crisis, ballooning up, getting super flashy, and destroying its neighborhood. After burning through helium, the sun won't have enough mass to keep fusing heavier elements like iron. So what happens? It collapses, and then slowly lets go. The sun will blow off its outer layers into space, creating a beautiful planetary nebula, a glowing bubble of gas that might last tens of thousands of years. Imagine the sun's last selfie being this giant, colorful cloud across the galaxy. Pretty dramatic, right? In the middle of that glowing nebula will be what's left of the sun, a tiny, super dense white dwarf. Picture something about the size of Earth, but with the mass of the sun. This thing will be glowing hot at first, but with no new fuel to burn, it'll slowly fade over billions and billions of years, eventually becoming a cold, dark black dwarf. At that point, the sun won't be a star anymore. Just a silent, frozen reminder that even stars don't last forever. Now, the big question: what happens to humanity? If we're still around in 5 billion years, we'll need a new home. Maybe Mars, maybe moons like Titan, or maybe we'll be star hopping across the galaxy. The cool part? We actually have plenty of time to figure it out. But when the sun does its red giant act, Earth will be toast, literally. So unless we've moved out by then, it's game over for our planet. It sounds scary, but think about it. Stars dying is how the universe recycles itself. The heavy elements that make up your body, carbon, oxygen, calcium, were forged in dead stars billions of years ago. So when the sun dies, it'll be giving its ingredients back to the universe, setting the stage for new stars, new planets, maybe even new life. So yeah, the sun will die, Earth will probably get roasted, but don't worry. For now, just enjoy the sunlight on your face. It's free, it's warm, and you've got plenty of it left. By the way, if you're hungry for more space stuff, check out astrodrive.fun, your daily space portal for wild cosmic news and the latest updates from the universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, if you had to move to another planet before the sun dies, where would you go? Subscribe Astrodrive to stay connected.